Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best skincare fridge mini beauty cooler on the market, the YASHE Skincare Mini Fridge with dimmable LED mirror. If you're looking for a stylish, compact, and dual-function fridge for your beauty essentials, you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes this fridge so special. At first glance, it's clear this isn't your ordinary mini fridge. Its sleek white design is complemented by a built-in LED mirror on the door. Yes, a mirror. But not just any mirror. This one features 3 adjustable brightness levels. Whether you're applying your daily moisturizer in soft lighting or doing a full glam look that requires precision, the touch-sensitive LED mirror adapts to your needs with low, medium, and high brightness options. The fridge has a 4-liter capacity, which is perfect for skincare products like serums, masks, moisturizers, or even a few cans of your favorite beverage. The compact dimensions, 7.87 by 5.31 by 5.11 inches, make it a great fit for your bedroom vanity, office desk, dorm room, or even in your car during a road trip. Now, let's talk about versatility. This little powerhouse isn't just a cooler, it's a warmer too. You can switch between cooling mode, which brings the temperature down to about 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit depending on room conditions, and warming mode, which goes up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can use it to chill your eye creams or keep your lunch warm, all with the same device. Speaking of dual use, the YASHE Mini Fridge comes with 2 power cords, one for standard wall outlets and another for car power ports. Whether you're getting ready for work at home or touching up makeup before a meeting in your car, it's ready to go wherever you are. Noise is often a concern with mini appliances, especially when used in quiet environments like bedrooms or offices. But this fridge operates at a whisper-quiet 25 decibels. That's quieter than a library, ensuring your sleep or focus is never disturbed. And here's a bonus. The adjustable shelf inside allows you to customize the space based on your needs. So whether you're a skincare enthusiast who wants to extend the shelf life of your products or someone who just wants a chic, portable fridge for snacks and drinks, the YASHE Skincare Mini Fridge covers all the bases. That's it for this product critique. If you're looking to elevate your beauty routine with convenience, functionality, and style, this is the skincare fridge to beat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.